Today I'm looking into a major trend influencing Perth's property market. That's the correlation between population growth and property prices. Specifically, we'll explore how the movement of people from other states and from overseas has been driving up housing demand and what that means for property prices in the future. In 2023, the population for Perth was estimated at over 2.3 million people. And this is a significant increase from the previous year of about 3.65% growth. In the calendar year of 2023 alone, the city welcomed over 79,000 new migrants, which further filled the housing market. The more people you have in a housing market with constrained housing supply, the more intense the competition becomes. It's interesting to look back at how this all started during the pandemic. When international borders were closed, WA saw a huge rise in interstate migration. People flocked to Perth for its strong pandemic response and job opportunities. And as borders reopened, overseas migration followed, only adding more fuel to the housing market fire. With Australia's successful management of the pandemic, WA became even more appealing, making it a hotspot for both international and interstate migrants. This migration trend isn't a small thing. Interstate migration in particular is a powerful leading indicator for property price growth. Once the migration momentum builds, it becomes hard to slow down, especially when you factor in things like family or spouse visas that tend to follow the initial waves. In fact, with potential slowdowns in economies like New Zealand and New South Wales, a move to WA for work and lifestyle could become even more appealing. All signs point to continued growth in Perth's population, which means we're likely to see sustained upward pressure on property prices. But of course, migration alone doesn't paint the full picture. Factors like local housing supply, suburb-specific conditions, and credit availability also play critical roles in shaping property prices. What's clear though is that more people usually mean more housing demand, especially in a market where supply is limited, like Perth. And it's important to remember, Perth doesn't have a single property market. Each suburb is its own ecosystem with different demand drivers and characteristics. Some are suggesting that Perth's property market has already peaked, but I believe there's still room for growth. With strong population growth, supply constraints, and potential downward pressure on interest rates, this current growth phase isn't cooling off anytime soon. And if migration trends continue to rise, we could very well see more price growth ahead. So in conclusion, net migration is a strong indicator of property trends, but you need to look at the full picture. Consider factors like supply and financial or credit conditions. The key is to approach Perth's real estate market suburb by suburb, as each one presents its own unique opportunities. If you're looking to buy or invest, now might be the perfect time to dive in before the much anticipated rate reduction cycle in 2025. Feel free to reach out for expert guidance. We're here to help you secure the right property. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more property insights, and I'll see you next time.